Ballarat Line Upgrade was a rail project, but it was so much more than that. Alongside the 18 kilometres of track we duplicated, we also built one new station from scratch at Cobblebank. We upgraded numerous stations along the route with additional platforms and overpasses, and did a lot of work on all the level crossings along the corridor as well.
Part of the design process was to develop a line-wide identity for the entire railway corridor, and through looking at it as a string of pearls along the rail line, each of the stations, the 5 stations, got their own identity. We really pushed the resilience part of it, but also the vibrancy of the station, the forecourt and the overpass for all the stations. Each of the forecourts represent not only indigenous history, but also some of the train stations along the Ballarat Line Upgrade has some European heritage that really bring to the character of the station. The landscape architects and the architect collaborated with the wider alliance to achieve a beautiful outcome.
A couple of things that we did to meet our sustainability targets were really emphasising the use of steel over concrete in a lot of the construction through the bridges and stations that we built. We introduced lime stabilisation into the formation of the railway, which really minimised the amount of material we took off-site or brought back onto site, and really cut down the number of trucks on the road too. One of the main considerations of the project was future-proofing. Melton and that area down through Rockbank are really high growth areas, so the purpose of the project was to try and meet that additional capacity that was required. And overall with the project we delivered 135 additional services a week, with trains every 20 minutes during the peak period and every 40 minutes during the off-peaks, which really gives the opportunity for businesses and communities to thrive along that corridor.
And boasting the regional community and the economics around it has been a really good outcome to see, and I think that that's going to really continue to build on the prosperity of these communities moving forward.